Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install CapCut on PC. If CapCut is not available in your country, you may need to use a VPN while downloading and sometimes while using it. So in this tutorial, I'll also show you how to install a free VPN like Proton VPN and then downloading and installing CapCut. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and set up Proton VPN. First, open your browser and type Proton VPN account free tier. Click on the first link that appears. Now, in the upper right corner, click on Get Proton VPN. You'll need to create an account. Enter your email address and click Start using Proton VPN. Next, set your password. Proton VPN may auto-generate a strong password, or you can create your own. Make sure you remember this password for future login. After entering and confirming your password, click Set New Password. Now you'll see the option to download Proton VPN. Click Download for Windows. The download will begin. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Choose your preferred language and click OK. A setup window will appear. Click Next. You may see optional installation items. Uncheck any unnecessary options if you prefer. Then click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, Proton VPN will automatically open. Now log in using the email and password you created. Click Sign In. Then click Get Started. You'll see your current location. For example, if you're in India, it will show India. Click Connect, and it will automatically connect you to the fastest available server, for example, Japan. You can also manually choose a different server if you want. Step 2. Download CapCut for PC. Now open your browser and type CapCut and press Enter. Click on the first link, CapCut Desktop. Because the VPN location is changed, the website might appear in another language. To change it, go to the top right corner and click on Translate, then select English. Once the website is in English, click on Free Download. The CapCut installer will begin downloading. Step 3. Install CapCut. After the installer is downloaded, open it. The installer will start downloading the full CapCut software. Wait for the process to complete. Once installed, CapCut will check your system environment. After that, click Confirm, then click Agree and Continue. Now click Create Project. And that's it. CapCut is now successfully installed on your PC. If required in your region, keep the VPN connected while using CapCut to ensure all features work properly. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.